Tired of battling pain with messy, ineffective ice packs? Does post-op discomfort or an injury have you feeling stuck? Imagine consistent, soothing cold therapy without the hassle. Introducing the Breg Polar Care Cube, your simple, reliable partner for targeted cold therapy. Easy setup, targeted relief, consistent cooling, long-lasting comfort. Why is the Polar Care Cube the ultimate game changer? It delivers consistent, motorized cold therapy precisely where you need it, significantly reducing pain and swelling. By minimizing inflammation, it helps you get back to your life faster. It's compact, easy to use, and provides hours of continuous relief with one simple fill. Don't let pain dictate your life. The Breg Polar Care Cube is ideal for post-operative recovery, sports injuries, chronic pain management, physical therapy support. Ask your doctor if the Breg Polar Care Cube is right for you. Take control of your recovery and truly feel the difference.